In today's competitive business landscape, building strong client relationships is more important than ever. AI can be a powerful tool to enhance customer engagement, fostering deeper connections and driving customer loyalty. In this in-depth video, we'll explore how to leverage AI to personalize communication, provide exceptional customer support, and build strong relationship with your clients. So for that, first we need to cover up the importance of client relationships. Strong client relationships lead to increased customer loyalty. So basically, like, loyal customers are more likely to repeat purchase, refer your business to others, and even sometimes become brand advocates. Repeating business, like when it comes to repeating business, building strong relationships can lead to consistent revenue streams and long-term profitability. Referrals, like word of mouth marketing, is one of the most effective ways to acquire new customers. Satisfied clients are more likely to refer your business to their friends and colleagues. So AI can help you build and maintain these relationships by providing personalized experience. AI basically allows you to tailor your communication and offering to individual customer needs and preferences. So offering efficient support, like AI-powered tools can automate routine tasks, provide 24/7 support, and resolve customer issues more efficiently than anyone. Moving on to leveraging AI for personalized communication, you need to analyze customer data to identify patterns and preferences. You could use customer data analytic tools to analyze customer behavior, purchase history, preferences, basically every single thing. Identify common customer segments and tailor your messages accordingly. You need to personalize communication based on individual customer needs and interests, or else there is no point. Use AI-powered marketing automation tools to send personalized emails, SMS messages, and other communication. Create personalized product recommendation based on customer preferences. You also need to tailor your website content and social media posts to specific customer segments. Like, segmenting is really important. Like, you need to segment your customer base to deliver more targeted and relevant messages. Dividing your customers into groups based on demographics, behavior, other criteria can be really helpful. So you need to create different messaging and marketing campaigns for each and every single segment. You also need to start using AI for proactive support. Implement AI-powered chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support and address common inquiries. Like, you need to use AI to monitor customer interactions and identify potential issues before they even get to the point of escalation. Implement sentiment analysis tools to track customer satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. You can probably use AI-powered ticketing systems to prioritize and resolve customer inquiries efficiently. You should also analyze customer sentiment to gauge satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. You need to use these analysis tools to analyze customer feedbacks from surveys, social media, and other channels. So identifying all these trends and patterns in customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. So by identifying trends and patterns in customer feedback, you could probably identify the areas where you can improve personally. And since there is a lot of positives and negatives when it comes to AI, you also need to start building trust with it. Okay, be transparent about AI usage with your customers. Clearly communicate how AI is being used to interact with your customers. You gotta provide transparency into the decision-making process and the limitations of AI. Ensure ethical AI practices by prioritizing fairness, accountability, and transparency. You need to start avoid using AI to discriminate against or unfairly target certain groups or customers. You need to ensure that AI algorithms are unbiased and fair. So just start being accountable for the decisions made by AI systems. Combine this AI with human interaction to provide a more personalized and empathetic experience. You can also use AI to automate routine tasks, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. And again, naturally, AI cannot handle every single thing, so you need to also ensure that human agents are also available to handle complex customer inquiries or sensitive situations. Also, while you're sending personalized emails, SMS, and also trying to build trust with AI, you also need to focus on measuring and improvement engagement. So you gotta track key metrics such as customer satisfaction scores, response time, churn rates, and net promoter scores, which is the NPS. A good way to analyze customer feedback is to identify areas for improvement and gain insights into customer needs. You could probably use something like customer surveys, social media monitoring, other feedback channels. You could also identify common pain points, areas of satisfaction, opportunities for improvement, basically every single thing. So make make data-driven decisions to refine your strategies and enhance engagement. You gotta start using data analytics tools to identify trends and patterns in customer behavior. One of the best ways that both of these things can coexist is by integrating AI into an existing workflow. So you gotta identify the areas of improvement, determine where the AI can actually add value to your existing process, consider areas such as customer service, marketing, sales, or operations. Choose the right AI tools that are compatible with your existing systems and meet your specific needs. You gotta evaluate different AI tools based on features, functionalities, cost, ease of use, so many more things. Then you also gotta provide training and support to ensure your team is actually equipped to use and manage this AI effectively. Develop training programs to teach your team on how to use AI tools effectively. Provide ongoing support and guidance to help your team overcome challenges and maximizing the benefits of AI. Now basically send personalized communication, build trust, integrated these things into your existing workflows. The next is leveraging AI for predictive analysis. I understand that I've been rambling about AI a lot, but honestly, this has improved my process a lot better and efficient. So just bear with me, okay? Predict customer behavior using AI powered algorithms. You can use predictive analytics tools to identify customer churn risk, predict future purchases, and anticipate customer needs. So you can tailor your marketing efforts based on these predicted customer behavior. By using that, you can create personalized marketing campaigns that target customer based on their predicted preferences and needs. You also need to start proactively addressing customer needs before they even become issues. So use these tools to identify the problems that could be upcoming and take proactive steps to address them. Moving on to ethical considerations in AI-powered relationships. Basically, you gotta prioritize transparency about your use of AI with your customers. So you need to clearly communicate how AI is being used and interact with customers. Be open and honest about the limitations of AI. You gotta ensure fairness and accountability in your AI applications, and also avoid any kind of bias or discrimination. And lastly, use encryption, access controls, and other security measures to protect customer data. Try to comply with every single relevant data privacy regulations. And so by this, basically by leveraging AI, you can build stronger, more meaningful relationship with your clients. AI can help you personalize communication, provide exceptional customer support, anticipate customer needs, and so many more things. Integrating AI into your business strategy gives you a competitive edge and drives long-term success. Some additional tips would be starting small and gradually scaling up your AI initiatives. Continuously monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of your AI applications. You could also involve your team in the AI implementation process to ensure buy-in and success. Also, stay up to date on industry trends and best practices. You could also basically seek feedback from clients and colleagues to identify areas for improvement. And that's basically it. I feel like I have covered almost the most of it. I hope this video had been helpful to some extent. I will be posting more content, and if you need any kind of suggestions, if you have any kind of suggestions that I should make a video on, you can just let me know. Just drop it down on the comment below, or you could just DM me on Instagram. I will be happy to assist you with that. If you feel like I could be helpful to you scale up your business, you can just book a strategy call on the description below. And yeah, we can just figure it out. But yeah, that's it from my end, guys. I will be seeing you into the next video. So bye bye, have a great day.